cuma 40 menit không?
So, one job breaks into 10 others. So, I've chopped that piece off there so I can fit the door step back in, but never got round to replacing the runner. Door's pretty much knackered. Down here's not great. So yeah, unbolting this now might be a bit bad because the whole van door is absolutely knackered. Oh, you can see the old runner down there. Not sure how that's ended up in there. I have to dig that out. And we got a replacement. So I'm gonna have a go at swapping this over or fitting it. Been putting this off for about 3 months. So we give all this a clean. I have installed the new track, lashed the old track. Behind the door, yeah, had to replace all of this into there, and then there's 2 wires that connect. There's like a pulley wire and then an electronic wire. I'm probably going to shut the door now and test it. Oh, that's what I like. Get in.
12 seconds later.
The step is back in and the lock works. This is going to be the first time it moves. I haven't bolted it in yet, but to feel that moving is lovely jubbly. I thought I'd have a play and attach the fan. Obviously got to connect it up with the electric port, so it's probably never even tested that these buttons work, but I'm guessing fan out. Uh-oh, panicking and then. So I think there's, oh, didn't know these lights come on. So there's 4 speeds for the fan out and in. Didn't know there was a timer on it. I won't touch that yet.
3 days later.
Hi guys, I've had a busy couple of days. Day 1 was picking this up and day 2 was bringing it here, and I had to strap it to my back on my bicycle. Not good, I look like a giant snail. So this is where it's gonna go. It's a shame that I couldn't get a black sink. Might consider replacing it with a black sink in the future. And I finally picked up some decent size wood. Picked up 2 of these, 4 foot by 5 foot, which is going to be perfect enough space for cutting these worktops, and another small one there. You can see how big they are. Quite a hefty piece. It's quite heavy as well. They also come with loads of other bits, and all these 2 by 6, 6 by 2, which might come in handy. First day of sun-ish in about a week and a half, so this is why there's been a delay in getting stuff done. So I'm going to cut these to size, and then we're gonna I think we're going to resin over them to seal them and give them some type of finish. It's just MDF. I guess it's about 2 centimeters thick. We've been building the cupboard for here. It's a bit of the frame here. I'm hoping it doesn't rain today, and then I can update you guys in a bit. So guys, I was using the jigsaw, but because the van's not been, well, not been much sun, my batteries have just died. My inverter started bleeping like mad, so I guess that's the fail-safe in it. So when the batteries run down to too low or empty, they trigger the inverter to do continuous buzzing, beeping. So we're back on the old saw now. Not easy. I'll tell you what, a little timeline adventure. Might have been quick for you, wasn't quick for me. So let's have a look at the fit. Try again. Better. Whew. So, looking at 1 centimetre over the front, around the sides. It's looking alright, I think. So, this is just going to be pure worktop, nothing going in it. I did think about sinking an induction hob into it, but not sure yet. I can always do that at a later date. There we go. Kitchen worktop, sink is going to go in there. It's looking better. So I've just cut a hole for the sink. Works out well. Give it a fit, a little bit of movement. So now I need to drill a hole for the tap. I'm hoping having a silver sink doesn't spoil the theme of the van. I think I'm going to have to get some more silver things to go with it. I could maybe get some silver shells around the back. But yeah, I'm going to slot an hole through for this tap. Sink is in, hole for the tap is in.
6.5 hours later.
I've been out and about and I've been to B&Q. Right, we've got some wood flooring. We've got some cladding. I don't know what to do for the walls. I think we're going to go with wood flooring. So I'm going to trial it now. I just need to tidy up this, so I'll just cut this piece out. I'm going to whack that under there. And I think I'm going to start here. Or start over there. Just put some wood flooring on. Just see what it looks like. There we go. That's that boxed off. Now to have a play with the flooring or cladding. Flooring or cladding. Just trying to... I'm gonna fall over. Just trying to have a look. Cladding. I'd have to paint it black. Already black. Hello. Oh, I think it's going to be this. So, little update. Been chopping away, and woohoo! So, final finish. Will look like that. So I'm just gonna, for the rest of the day, before the light runs out, I'm just gonna cut and cut and cut until I run out, and then get as neat as I can up here. Probably will need a bit of beading, but not decided what to do on the top. All depends how much pennies we got left. But yeah, quite happy with that. I think that's gonna look good. So, First wall in, I need to give it a bit of a clean, but it's looking quite nice. This has got 2 USB ports, so we will have a go. And then swap the phone on. Charging. Happy days. Back to the football. Come on, Arsenal.
And you would also say just back to England's group just finally.
Hello, me dears. So, we finished that wall off yesterday. Still got some wood left. I bought 2 packs in total for 52 quid. Still got plenty left. Got 3 full pieces and some odds and sods. So today I thought about, so I can see what it looks like, is covering this bit. So first I need to cover this bit of metal here. So just back on this stretch carpet, I'm going to glue this in. Oh, if I've got the glue. And then once that's covered in there, I'm going to stick a few pieces on the side for a laugh.